Hello everyone, another parcel has come today from Aliexpress, and it is the LED light strip. Now you can put these wherever you want, but I'm going to put this one on the back of my son's TV. So yeah, we'll go and do that now. I should mention that this is a 2 meter length, and it cost me just over $4, I think it was, which is about £3 in English money, roughly. I'm not sure it's going to be long enough to go right around the back of my son's TV. Actually, I probably should have got a longer strip, but we'll give it a shot and see what it looks like. Also, something else I didn't realise until now is this remote control doesn't come with a battery. Luckily, I think I've got the right size batteries. Yeah, but that's pure luck. So yeah, if you're going to get one, bear in mind you're going to need to get a battery for the remote control. Okay, so this is the TV I'm going to put it on. There's a little bit of preparation before you put it on. You have to attach this. Oh, actually, I'll probably put it on first before I attach that to that. But that's what's going to go in the back of the TV. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on now, and I'm back. Okay, so I've stuck it all on. As you can see, on the back there's a sticky patch. You peel some tape away and it leaves a sticky residue. So you stick it onto the back of your TV or whatever it is you want to stick it on. Now, it wasn't quite long enough, but it's only missing this section here. But as you'll see in a minute, it doesn't really make no difference. This is the remote you get. So press the on button. You see that's on, I think that's on that setting there. Change the settings. Now obviously it's a bit light now, I'm going to come back in the dark and go through it again. But as you can see, there's all different colours you can choose from. And yeah, I'll be back later on when it's dark and we'll see what it really looks like.
Let me flex on.
So as you can see, in the dark, it's really quite bright. It has different settings. You can have permanent colours. Yeah, pretty bright.